Yo, what's up, guys? It's Chaotic Tutorials here. Today we're talking about how to use your 360 Connect as a body tracking device. So basically, what you'll have to do is purchase some stuff. As you can see, I'm on Amazon because you need to purchase a adapter for the 360 Connect or your Xbox One Connect. So you just want to simply type in 360 Connect adapter for Windows. Do not get this one if you have the 360 Connect. Try to get maybe the cheapest 360 version. Possibly don't get this one because that's not the cheapest. Try to get this one. But there's only one in stock, so maybe not that one. Um, at maximum, try to get this one because it looks like this one is in stock more. And make sure it comes with the power adapter because sometimes these sellers don't give you the power adapter. I guess, I don't know. Mine came with the power adapter just fine. And as you can see, I have a webcam for this video. Just because I can't get the Kinect working as a webcam. But yeah, basically, you want to get this Xbox 360 Connect Sensor USB AV adapter if you have the Xbox 360 version. And you're going to be spending a little bit more money for this one. Um, this one's $25. I have a Xbox One Connect, but no one uses it, but I use my Xbox 360 Connect as a what do you call it? As a VR software. So I forgot to put do not disturb on my Discord, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. So basically, you want to get this Connect adapter for Xbox One S or Xbox One X Windows PC. As you can see, it has the USB right here. Um, it also can be used for the Xbox One S and Xbox One X if you really want to. So it just basically plugs in to the back of your Connect and stuff. Nothing too special, but it is a huge brick. Mine's not a huge brick, but it is a lot of wires. But in my opinion, you should get the Xbox One Connect just for VR because the Xbox 360 version is kind of a pain in the butt to use. So yeah, there's that. But yeah, that 360 Connect adapter, it it works. It actually works very well. But there's this thing called USB bandwidth that's built into your motherboard or something, and you can, if you go over that, I'm not sure what will happen. But there is a limit per your motherboard or USB hub. Do not plug the Connect into your USB hub because the Connect uses as much power as it needs. So I want to show you guys one software. Um, it's called Connect to VR. There is a warning right now to not use this just because The upper body, like this, is broken. And you cannot use Google Cardboard. If you're using an Oculus Rift or something like that, it will work. But I use this software called Driver for VR, and it has full body tracking, head tracking. You can use your Xbox One controller as a VR controller if you want to. Um, it has built-in Kinect compatibility. So yeah, it is kind of cool. Um, but I use a combination of Trinus Cardboard VR. Trinus is okay, but it is cheap. Um, I sometimes use Ivory, but yeah. I'm going to sign into my account right now. Um, and show you guys the pricing. So right now, this is $15.97, but do not get tricked by that. I got tricked by that, thinking it was $15.97, but it's €15.97, or whatever currency they have, and then it's going to be $18 USD and whatever currency you are. But they also have a free trial. The free trial has, you get 10 minutes per session, which is not really enough for this type of software. But, I ended up buying the software eventually. Um, so yeah, let's just boot up my phone and head into VR, and hopefully this video actually goes pretty well. So yeah, let's okay, China's VR is already on. Oh, China's VR was already okay. Um, is my network set? No, it isn't. But I don't think I need to set that. So, I'm just going to connect my phone. Okay, okay. As you can see, is black on my phone right now. I am using a Google Cardboard, which we're going to launch up on. We're going to launch up Steam VR. Yeah, Steam VR. We're not going to try to play a game right now because um just because as of right now. So yeah. Um okay. Um as you can see, driver for VR actually pops up, and as you can see, I can see my my entire um what do you call it, Steam VR home. So I'm going to turn on the gestures. It says Kinect not running. Okay. It should automatically, oh wait, I want to go over this first. So basically, whenever you want to do this, you want to select Kinect skeleton. For example, I don't have to restart that. But hand tracking, if you want to do leap motion, if you have a leap motion controller, I totally recommend it. because it's more user friendly or something like that. Uh, I have Elite Motion, but it has troubles tracking. So yeah, so basically you just want to select Kinect Skeleton for hand tracking and body tracking. This is pretty cool. I was able to crouch down in VR. It was cool. So you want to select Kinect Skeleton. Um, and so you'll have to calibrate this. So yeah, we'll get to that right now. So I'm going to start driver for VR. I'm just going to quit that. And as you can see, whenever I turn that on, my screen actually messes up because I have to calibrate it pretty much. Okay, so I'm going to stand up and calibrate this. So you want to basically you want to, as you can see, I'm going to be adjusting my webcam. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'm going to put my headset in my VR, and you want to quit calibrate. You just want to point your headset to the Kinect itself, and then it'll be calibrated. There's already okay. So I'm going to try to show you a game that I currently have installed. I'm not actually going to play it, but as you can see, I'm obviously can so basically you just want to go to configuration and gestures to make sure if it's um yeah, see, it's perfectly fine. Okay, so let me move my chair. So I'm going to put on my VR headset. I'm going to show you guys. I cannot hear any audio right now just because I don't have a Bluetooth headphones set up. As you can see, I can cover my face. I can cover my face in VR with just using my hands. I have purchased some 1 second. Okay, so basically, I don't know if it's going to body track me right now because I'm so close. But basically this Kinect is body tracking me. perfectly fine at a far distance, though. So, yeah, see, obviously it's not going to body track me right now, but, just because I have my headset on and I'm not trying to ruin the cord. So, yeah, you have that as an example what Kinect tracking is like. Um, the I really didn't show you anything special, but basically, if you do the gesture of making a fist, I don't know if I'm doing it correctly, but I've never been successful of the gestures or even this, just making a fist with your left hand. It looks like yeah, my left hand would be menu, and then my right hand would be trigger. Right hand fist would be trigger. But half the time you have to keep it like this, and it gets really uncomfortable, especially with my broken arm. So I have purchased these controllers, the Gear VR, but I have not got mine to work properly. So if I do get them working properly one day, I might just send them back to Amazon maybe. But yeah, you have seen my tutorial on how to do Kinect body tracking. Um so yeah, talk to you guys later. Where's OBS? Here it is. And so yeah, talk to you guys later. See ya.